Hi, my name is Veer Patel. I'm an attorney and partner at Patel, Soltis and Cardenas Attorneys at Law. I practice foreclosure law in the state of New Jersey. Today's question is, can you still live in your house after foreclosure? Yes, you can still live in your house after foreclosure. So in New Jersey, after you've been foreclosed, you have two types of occupants really in a home. You have tenants who are there subject to a lease agreement, whether it's oral or written. And then you have the owners that are there because they had possession of the property before the foreclosure and during, and continue to maintain possession after the foreclosure has been completed. Now at a foreclosure sale, we're going to use the sale as an example. When the sheriff has auctioned off the property, you can have two people that buy the property. You can have the bank that buys the property, or you can have a third-party purchaser that purchases the property. Either way, both of them have to get possession. They can do this in one of two ways, and the judges in the state, I believe, have conferenced on this, and they're trying to make it more uniform. Depending on which vicinage, you may run issues into the bank may run into issues exercising one of the ways, which is the special civil way. But a lot of times you'll see in the foreclosure action a motion for possession, which is in the actual foreclosure action itself. After the motion of possession is filed and granted, you'll see a writ of execution. The writ of execution will then then permits the purchaser at the sheriff auction to then go to the sheriff and get you removed. And that can take several months. The other way to do it, which has been done in counties like Hudson and Essex, is going through the special civil division and doing what's called an ejectment action. It's not a landlord-tenant action, it's an ejectment action. It's an order to show cause that basically tells the court, you know, I am the owner, I purchased it at sheriff auction, these people are not the owners, they used to be owners, they're not tenants, there's no lease agreement, and they're there without permission, and they need to leave. Once that's presented to the court and served on everybody, there'll be a return date, and then after the return date, there'll be a judgment entered for possession, and then again, similarly, a writ will be issued. The sheriff will be given the writ, there's a filing fee involved, and then, you know, the sheriff will schedule the lockout date. So those are the two ways that you can, that banks or purchasers can remove people. But in the meantime, you know, the question is, you know, can you stay in your home? Yeah, you can, until possession is no longer yours and the sheriff gets you out. Now there are ways to get additional time in possession, contacting the purchaser, asking for a cash for keys arrangement, you know, after the sale, time is running out, but it has not yet run out, and that's the simple answer to that question. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.